Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Chrome tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make Chrome your default browser. This is actually quite simple. To do this I first go to the search in Windows and enter default. This will suggest the default apps. I click on these and can now set a default program for various tasks. We can find the web browser by scrolling down a little. To set a new default browser I click on the current one and select Google Chrome from the list. And as soon as I have clicked on Google Chrome, it is already my default browser. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.